Back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. So today we're going to be talking about some of the juices that you can drink during your pregnancy for more energy, and also it helps to clear the baby's skin and eyes. I tried out this juice during my first pregnancy and my child came out with very clear skin and the eyes were really good. So I want to share with the mothers out there that would like to add something to their prenatals that they are taking, but they don't know what supplements to take for better skin for the baby, better eyes, and also for more energy. So today we have two types of juice that I'll be making. I'll be making the carrot juice and the cucumber juice. Both of these fruits are really good fruits. Even when you're not pregnant, you can drink these juices for strength, right? I always drink these juices for strength. So today, please join me as we make these very simple and easy drinks, but they are very essential to our bodies. So we shall begin by cleaning up our fruits. Okay, so we're going to be making the carrot juice first. So for the carrot juice, we only need the carrots, one apple, and then ginger. So we shall make the cucumber juice afterwards. So let's make the carrot juice first. Cut in smaller pieces so that the blender, it's easier for the blender. Otherwise, you mess up your blender. So we're cutting it in smaller pieces. So we have finished cutting our fruits, the apples, the carrots, and the ginger. So the next step is for us to blend the fruits. And then we are going to add some water to it. Okay, so we have finished to blend our juice, so now it's time for us to sieve it. Okay, so now since we finished to sieve it before, I'm going to put it in the storage jars. These are the jars that I use to store my juice, so it can go at least for 2 days without going bad. Okay, so we finished making our juice, so the next juice will be our cucumber juice. So like I said, all you need for cucumber juice is the cucumber, the apple, and the ginger. You can add other fruits that you want. Some people add pineapples to this to make the juice more sweet, but I would prefer just the apple is good enough to make it sweet. So we are going to